the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I'm going to read it out for you. Truth, goodness, and usefulness. Socrates was a great philosopher in ancient Greece. One day, one of his followers met him and said, "Do you know what I just heard about your friend?" "Hold on a minute," Socrates replied. "Before you talk to me about my friend, you need to pass the triple filter test." The first filter, he explained, is truth. Have you made absolutely sure that what you are about to say is true? The man shook his head. "No, I actually just heard about it." And Socrates cut him off and said, "You don't know that it is true. Then, is what you want to say something good or kind?" Again, the man shook his head. "No, actually, just the opposite. You see," Socrates lifted his hand to stop the man from speaking. "So you are not certain that what you want to say is true, and it isn't good or kind. One filter still remains, though. So you may still tell me, that is usefulness. Is this information useful to me?" The man replied, "No, not really." "Well, then," Socrates said, "if what you want to say is neither true, nor good or kind, nor useful, please don't say anything at all."